Hi, I'm Liz Cantor. Join me and my husband Ryan, sons Kit and Finn, and of course Bear, as we take on our first ever KnockDown ReBuild. Today on KnockDown ReBuild, it's time to select our home.
Okay, iPad. Everyone ready to tell Grandma and Grandpa if he's there? Oh, here she is. Ready to say hello?
Ready?
Guess what? We've got some exciting news for you.
What?
We put an offer on a house. So if you and Dad come to stay, you won't have to sleep in Finn's room anymore. You want to see a picture of it?
Are we in the garage?
Not quite. We're actually going to knock this down and build a new house.
What do you think, bud? Hey?
Chop, chop. Look, you've got a garden. Run free, child.
So as a new home advisor, what we're going to be doing today is really guiding you through the journey. So what that will entail is reviewing the siting and make sure that the home works with the land. The next thing will be to really make sure that the design meets your family requirements and look at our inclusion options. Based on the frontage though, I do think that we have a particular design that I'd like to show you. It's called the Kira. So there are different facades, which is the style of the front of the home. So we might loop back to that. What sort of things are important to you and your family?
Because Liz's parents come down from Noosa quite a bit, so
Right.
to have a bedroom downstairs away from
The kids.
the kids if they're up through the night.
Yeah.
Because we spend a lot of time outdoors and at the beach, and hopefully we're going to get a pool as well. I'd love a shower downstairs that has access from outside.
So in this particular instance, the two designs that I'd like to show you from that range is the Kira 30 and the 31. What you will see is there's a second living space or study downstairs, and what we do with that, we have a standard option to create that fifth bedroom, which makes complete sense so that you've got your standard layout upstairs with your 4 bedrooms and your leisure, and then downstairs we utilise that second living space and convert that into the bedroom.
What do you think, Rye? I can't make decisions.
I'm definitely leaning towards the Kira 31. I just like the layout of it better, and it's a bit larger. We are trying to maximise space, so I think we'd be silly not to choose the larger floor plan.
Now the nice thing about this particular design is a lot of people like to have those windows flashback. So if you're obsessed with light and you want the windows, it's a good option to go because the kitchen's essentially on an external wall.
I was just wondering when you'd be.
When
how,
do I
how-
cook?
yeah, how often Liz cooks. I'd be the one.
talking
I'd
about?
be the one with my back turned to them.
Not the best cook.
How are you feeling about everything?
Wow. That's
Yeah.
how I'm feeling. This is crazy,
Yeah,
but crazy
pretty
good.
excited. Yeah, I actually didn't think that something like this would be possible. You know, having a new build at this age and creating a family home. So yeah, I'm very excited about it.
Yeah.
Can't wait. Yep.
So we do an initial deposit. What that will do will enable us to secure the current promotions.
Yep.
And we will then go out and get those reports ordered for the site. Congratulations, I'm so happy
Thank you.
to be working
Yep.
with you.
We
Thanks,
just bought a
we-
house.
We did, yeah. Woo.
So exciting, isn't
Thank
it?
Thanks very much.
Yeah, it's good to
Yep.
see it all come together, and once you made that decision, it's now we can get to the fun stuff with
Yeah.
the colours
Yep.
and getting everything organised and planned out for you. We will take you through a display home to get some ideas of what you're looking for as far as inclusions and finishes go. The main thing I wanted to do at this stage though is make sure we've got the right floor plan. We know that it works on the block. We've done that geosite site plan, and now we're just capturing those design changes that are important to you and your family.
Next week on KnockDown ReBuild, it's time to make selections as we head to Studio M to style our home.
I know you said you don't want frosted glass anywhere.
Because obviously if you're sitting on the toilet.
And it's not all smooth sailing as Ryan gets a phone call which isn't good news.